In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert MP4 to MP3. So in order to do so, I'll use an application called VLC Media Player. If you don't have it downloaded, just go and open any browser and make sure to type download VLC. Go as an example to the official website. So it's going to be the first one, I guess. Yeah, it's this one. Just go and click on download VLC. And you'll have to basically wait a little bit. If it's not like downloading for you, just go and click here. So click on save, and then you'll have to wait for it until saved. Then it is done. Just double click on that, and it should start downloading very easily. For me, I'm not going through the installation setup because I already have it downloaded, as you saw before. So now I can just go and close that. And as you can see, now we are at VLC. So what we'll have to do now is just simply go to the top left and click on media. And from here, we will have to go and click on convert/save. So here you would like to add the file that is an MP4 and you want to change to MP3. So now I'm just going to click on add, and I'm going here. I do have a video. I don't think it has some audio, so let me just look for a video with an audio. For example, I just added here a video with some audio, just like a tutorial that I made. So now all you need to do is click on convert basically and save. So once you do so, you will find yourself in this option. You would like an example to choose the destination file or where it should be taken. For me, I just want it to be as downloads. Now, in this profile down or drop down, you'll have to go and select MP3. So basically, we'll look for MP3, and those are videos. Here is it, audio MP3. You can also click on this icon, rich icon, if you want to like choose MP3 and change an example, some codec on the audio, like sample rate, bit rate, and stuff like that. People like to play with those stuff. So now I'm good. I need just MP3. I can just go and click on save. Here we are. This is what we want. I can just go and click on start. So once I click on start, as you can see, the video is being treated and it should be good to go. Now if I go and open my downloads, I should find an example, this video, how to add stuff like that. And if I click on it, this video, as you can see, it will not be a video. I'm going to show you how to add this. It's just an audio. And I guess you're hearing like the sound that is playing by the audio at the moment. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.